Thursday, the San Antonio Police Department sends over a few of their bike patrol officers and work with our students to teach them a skill that they could possibly use to find employment after they leave us.
As a bike rider and a bike shop runner for the city, I've come here to the school to help teach these young men how to fix and maintain bicycles. And they're learning the different parts of the bike right now. We're going over how to maintain and fix brakes by making adjustments with the barrel adjusters and cables. Well, the students are fantastic. The 3 students that I have are very enthusiastic. They're always ready to come to class. They're always willing to learn, and they're having a great time.
The other aspect that makes it so special is because a lot of people are so apt to go to the general ed classrooms and to want to, work with the typical peers. Here they're working with students who it may take a little longer to learn, but they're obviously capable of learning. So combining the two together is pretty magical.